Shiny, thick, and voluminous hair is often a sign of health and beauty. Like any other part of the body, your hair needs nutrients to be healthy. In fact, some of the earliest signs of nutritional deficiencies are linked to hair loss. Though genetics, age, and hormones do play a role in hair quality, ensuring that you get optimal intake of nutrients is imperative. Today, I will share with you 3 nutrients for show-stopping hair. Eating adequate amounts of protein is important for hair growth, as hair follicles are made up of protein. When you're under eating protein, your body will start sacrificing your hair because, believe it or not, you do not need hair to survive. You're probably wondering, how much protein do you need in a given day? As a general rule of thumb, aim for 25 to 35 grams of protein 3 times a day. Now again, everyone's going to be a little bit different, so just use this as a starting point. I know a lot of people who take biotin supplements for hair and nails. Now this might be partly due to the fact that Costco sells it in a gummy format. But besides that point, in my opinion, I really don't think it's worth all the hype. Now don't get me wrong, we do require biotin to create a protein in hair called keratin, but having low levels is very, very rare. In fact, we don't have enough evidence to even create a recommended daily allowance for biotin because deficiency is so rare. So you're going to be eating enough protein, don't worry about taking a biotin supplement. The second nutrient is vitamin A. All cells in the body require vitamin A for growth, and our hair is the fastest living tissue in our bodies. Vitamin A is also required by our skin glands to produce something called sebum. Sebum is a fatty substance that prevents our hair from looking brittle and dull. The best food sources for vitamin A include fatty fish, green leafy vegetables, liver, red meat, eggs, butternut squash, and sweet potatoes. Now, when you're preparing the vegetables that are high in vitamin A, make sure you do add a little bit of healthy fat to it to aid in absorption. The third nutrient is iron. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to all the other cells in our body. Our hair, being one of the largest tissues in our body, is made up of billions of cells. It's crazy, right? Well, iron deficiency anemia is actually one of the major causes of hair loss. The best food sources of iron include red meat, shellfish, clams, dark leafy greens, as well as sprouted lentils. Now, if you're interested in learning more about iron, I did create a previous video, so you can check that out. Bottom line, you can't change your genetics, and yes, some people are gifted with thicker hair than others, but you can ensure that your diet is optimized with enough protein, vitamin A, and iron. I hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, relish every bite.